Devontae Graves here, and I wanted to just make this quick video showing you guys how I'm editing my new sales funnel. I'm customizing my new sales funnel. Well, not new one, I'm just using a share code, and I'm just incorporating my own unique style, my little flavor to it. So I'm making these buttons right here. These are making the buttons, and I'm gonna incorporate my links to the buttons as well. Oops. Yeah, so feature ad pro, MLM leads. What is next? Traffic for me. Let's see what else. So they said go to traffic. See. I know they got Udemy, traffic for me. Okay, this is good enough. This is good. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link Udemy. Go to affiliates. I gotta change that picture, by the way. And yeah, that is how you would link your buttons and everything like that. I just wanted to make this quick video just showing you how I'm in construction of my new sales funnel. I wasn't really a fan of the whole internet sales pro sales funnel, so I wanted to create my own style of sales funnel. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna explain the whole sales funnel after I get finished with it. So stay tuned. And my name is Devontae. Earn up to $500 per week working from home. Then you should contact me on various platforms. And this is our last year being broke plan. And I will definitely see you on the inside.